Hello everyone, welcome back to the presentation part from paper of 2018 Feb-March of paper 2. So let's go to the presentation or slides or PowerPoint part, and let's say what the question says. You are going to create a short presentation about new building developments at Tawara University. The presentation should be based on a master slide that you will design, and make sure that there is a consistent layout for all slides. The first slide is a title slide and no objects overlap. So here we have some important points. We have to keep those all points in mind. So question number 29 says create a presentation of 5 slides using the presentation.rtf. Okay, first of all, let's open PowerPoint and let's import or open this file. So go directly to browse and let's locate the file from here, and if it won't be visible, you have to make sure that it is including all types of files, and the file name is going to be a presentation. So here it is. You will find it's open neatly and in a good way for each slide its own contents and title. After that, format slide number 1 so that the first slide is a title slide. Okay, so here, which is slide number 1, title slide. Again, they're mentioning that point. So to do this, right click, layout and title slide. Title slide and the title and subtitle are placed in the center of the slide. It is already in the center. Your name should appear after the presentation by, so put your name instead of this here. Okay, so 30, use a single master slide to display at least 4 of the following features on all slides. So we need 4 features. This may include either text, so either text or line, or either a logo as an image or any other image that you want to include it. You have a slide number, colors even probably, a template, and you might even have an animation or transition. So we can use any of this, any 4 of this. There is not at least, okay, this is at least. So any 4 or 5, at least 4, we have to use them, and we have to put them in the master slide. And then for this section, we will do it after that. So let's do the first part. So let's go to view, click on slide master, always scroll to the first slide. And right now we're going to put all what we need over here. So let's try to put slide number, which is easy. What else we can put? Let's check. So let's go to insert, header and footer. First of all, let's put the slide number. That's the first thing. Okay, apply to all. And here it is. It's supposed to be added. Even if you close the slide master, page number will be the only thing showing so far. So one thing we already added. Let's go back again to view, slide master, scroll to the first slide, and let's try right now to add a logo, and maybe probably we can add a color or something, or a line. Let's check that. Okay, to add it, let's go to insert tab in the very first slide. Let's go to pictures. Let's scroll to our path and let's see. Okay, we have a picture from that file that they gave us. Let's insert it. We use this picture in the document. Probably we can use it somewhere here. Okay, what we can do, just not to overlap, to avoid any overlapping, I'm going to put this down and take this also down. Okay, let's put the logo over here. Or the picture over here. And then that's, so we added, so far we added an image or a logo. We can say we added slide number. Let's try to put some line or maybe a color. Let's go back again to insert, and let's try to put probably a line over here. And probably we can add a line over here, and we can, okay, we can choose the color, the thickness, or I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, and probably it shouldn't be here overlapping. So what we can do, let's make this picture smaller, and let's take this line a little bit higher. Okay, one thing we can do also, we can put another line over here. That will look much better. And so let's go again to shape over here, and let's choose the same weight. Again, avoid any overlapping, so we're going to make this not to be overlapped with it. You probably can put the number, the page number over here, and we can put another line if you would like here. Or what we can do, just easily I can copy this line. Okay, good. So we added so far 1, 2 these lines, 3 slide over here, slide number, and how about we add a text over here, as this is about Tawara University. So let's add a title about Tawara University. So let's go to insert, and let's put a text box over here and put Tawara University in it. We can decorate it, design it, and change the font color. And you can choose any font. I'm just going to leave it as this font. That looks good. Okay, so I got here 4, 1, 2, 3. The line for it is this one. What we can do also, we can add some animation. To add the animation, you can go to animation part and add some animation over here. So you will see there is an animation added. Great, so let's close the slide master and let's go and check. Okay, there is no overlapping happening. Great. Okay. Okay, good. Let's carry on to the next question. So put your name, center number, and candidate number, and must also be on the same master slide. Okay, so let's go again to slide view, slide master, scroll to the first one, and let's put the name over here somewhere. So go to insert, header and footer, click on the footer and put this, and apply to all. Here it is applied. You can keep it in the center if you'd like to. And let's close the slide master. It is added on all the pages. After that, we're done with this. And let's go on the slide. Building program, create a table with 5 rows and 5 columns. So let's check where is this building program. Okay, this one. building program, we need to create a table with 5 rows and 5 columns and place the contents of the table.rdf into this. First of all, let's go here, go to insert and create a table of 5 in 5. Let me cut it and paste it to here. Anyway, it's not, I'm just going to delete the back. And right now what we need to do, we need to open this table and copy the contents from here to and paste it over here. It directly pastes without any trouble. And then insert a new row at the top of the table and merge the cells in this row and enter this title. Okay, so go to layout, insert above, and let's merge all of these lines, all of those columns, and let's put this title and save the presentation. After that, okay, they didn't mention about any formatting. Then do we need to format? Okay, nothing mentioned to format. Okay, we just have to make sure that the consistency is matching in all of the table. Like right now you can see here it's Calibri 28, so let's try to apply Calibri to all of them. Okay, I'm not sure if 28 can work or no. Let's check it. It's too big, so we can reduce the size a little bit. Okay, that's much better. We can reduce some of them from here. Okay, what we probably can do to make this into bold. I believe I'm not missing anything. So let's go and check, save the presentation, and print all the slides as a handout with a layout of 2 slides to the page. So we need 2 slides per each page. Make sure the text on each slide is easy to read, so that's going to be print out number 5. Let's go and check. Let's go to print, and we need to make it into 2 per each slide, so that is okay. And make sure your name, center number is visible on all of them. After that, we have an evidence, which is optional if you want to do it or no. So you may add a screenshot and description into the evidence document of any features that you use that are not shown on your printout 5. So let's show them some of those features that we put it. It might be not showing, but for example, let's go to view, click on slide master. There will be one thing that is not showing, like animation. So if you click on animation, this won't be showing actually on your printout. So you can make this to show on your evidence document. So you can take a screen capture like this, or you just can put it specifically only for this and go to the optional one and add it over here. If you can take it to over here, and you can put a description. Animation was added to the content of each slide. other each slide, and you can say also other other features beside other features, or you can say other features added. Text. You can say also slide number, lines, and image. Okay, so that was evidence number 11. After that, you have the last printout, which will be for the evidence document. You have to go to the evidence file, and you have to make sure there are no orphan or widows, and every title is with its answer, and you can print your evidence file or document. I hope you got all the questions and answers, and see you in the next paper, paper 3.